Hi, I'm Sanj from Currys, and I'm here to talk about some things you could do to make sure we deliver your electric cooker right the first time. Accessibility is really important. Say, for example, a bin lorry can't access your home. If you can let us know in advance so we can arrange for the delivery of your item in a smaller vehicle. Having the right contact number is really important. As I say, most of our communication comes in via text, so having your mobile number rather than your landline is most important to us. On the day of the delivery, we'll contact you by phone call or by text to give you a 4-hour delivery window so you know when to expect us. It's helpful if the path is clear when we make the delivery, so just double checking that there's nothing in the way really helps. If you've bought a larger cooker, more than 60 centimetres wide, normally called a range style cooker, it's important to check that it will fit through all your doorways. If it looks like it's going to be a tight squeeze, having access to side door or double doors can be really handy if it won't fit through your front door. Also, if there's a few steps going into or up to your property, it's helpful to know in advance so we can bring specialist lifting equipment if we need it. If you've asked us to recycle your old appliance when we deliver the new one, it must be disconnected by a trained electrician before we visit. If you've asked us to install a new one, don't worry, we'll take care of everything. If you're not going to be in, or you need to change the date of your delivery or time or update your contact details, we'll text you a link where you can do that online. Also, you might get a call from our services team before the delivery to make sure you're ready for our arrival. All of this stuff makes a big difference and really helps us to get your delivery right the first time.